Good afternoon. Macro procedure advanced level nursing program. My name is Karen Telles. I'm going to tell you about my invention. Yesterday I was with my grandmother in the hospital when suddenly she fainted and she was not breathing. The doctor came out right away. He took the strain, but the instrument didn't serve. They looked at another instrument, but they didn't have other. Immediately I told the herbage. My grandmother regained the sense. There waking up, she presented symptoms: shortness of breath and pain chest. Considering the above, I made the following invention. My future invention: smart watch. Description: the invention smartwatch allows for improvement the daily activities and as well as facility to help personnel. They reduce disease, cardiac, tachycardia, ventricular fibrillation, bradycardia, and arrhythmia, besides respiratory disease. It has a sensor that takes the heartbeat and respiratory frequency. Along with device, clock, and spotlight. Advantage: the spotlight will be showed patient oxygen saturation. The device will be showed the different changes in the temperature, pressure, and frequency. O'clock: the clock will be allowed till the heartbeat. Disadvantage: it doesn't last long. The burdens. A smartwatch with the sun because it gets damaged. The invention was created by myself. In conclusion, the smartwatch serves to improve the quality of life of patients. Also, it allows you to do a checkup at home. and it has easy access for the family.